It's a bright day in Friendly Wheels, and Sparky is feeling unstoppable.
Careful, Sparky. You might need a quick tune-up if you keep driving that fast.
Not me, I'm as fast as ever. Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Sounds like your wheel needs some grease. Let's head to Maddy's garage.
Just a little squeaky wheel. Let me fix that for you.
Wow, good as new. Thanks, Maddy.
Looks like you're back to your old self, Sparky.
Thanks to Maddy. I guess even speedsters need a quick fix now and then.
In Friendly Wheels, even the fastest cars know it's smart to stop and fix small problems before they become big ones.